Dalton, this isn't.
What are you guys doing?
Yeah. We're counting money. Here, Dalton, I count all of these together. We have more than 15. Seriously. Look at all of this, Dalton. Look at all of it. We struck gold. We're gonna buy all 25 cents now, Peyton. We're gonna buy another webkin.
What did you strike, Peyton?
What?
What did you strike?
Gold.
You struck gold, did you? Is this your gold that you struck? Hey, Dalton.
I want to buy. No, Ashton, we're all using it together to get a webkin, and we're getting it on the same thing as we always do. We're going on Dalton. You can buy.
Ashton, what's wrong with your nose?
There's a Band-Aid on it.
Why?
Look like it hurts.
Let me see. Let me get a picture of it. We're going to send this video to friends and family. There's Ashton with his sore nose. Shh, Peyton, I can't hear. What do you want to say to friends and family?
I love you. And if you're a friend, I miss you. Goofball. We're counting coins.
I didn't do anything.